Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best corn on the cob is probably one of the most versatile and beloved summer staples, offering a delightful crunch and natural sweetness that can be elevated in countless ways, making it a perfect canvas for culinary creativity, whether grilled to smoky perfection, boiled and slathered with butter and herbs, or even transformed into a vibrant salsa or salad. Number 5. Cooking Concepts Corn on the Cob Tray Set. Enjoy your corn on the cob like never before. This set makes serving and eating a breeze. You'll receive a set of 4 convenient trays. Perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Each tray measures 9.5 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 1.3 inches high. They are designed to hold your corn securely. Made from durable plastic, these trays are built to last. Cleanup is a snap after your meal. The cheerful yellow color adds a touch of fun to your table setting. It's a simple way to brighten up any meal. Their rectangular shape ensures they fit neatly on your plate or table. Experience a more enjoyable way to serve corn. What we like. This set is perfect for families or small gatherings. If you're looking for a straightforward and durable solution to serve corn on the cob without any fuss, these trays are a great choice. They are easy to clean and store, making them ideal for regular use. What people say. The corn on the cob dishes are designed to hold the corn securely, preventing it from rolling around. These dishes are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after enjoying your corn. The compact design allows for easy storage in cabinets or drawers when not in use. Number 4. Girla Interlocking Corn on the Cob Holder Set. These corn holders feature an interlocking design that safely hides the sharp pins. They also come with a convenient storage box to keep them organized and secure. Enjoy a comfortable and mess-free eating experience with our corn holders. The soft silicone handles are anti-scald and provide an easy grip for inserting the skewers. These versatile skewers are perfect for more than just corn on the cob. Use them for fruits, meatballs, and all your barbecue needs, making them ideal for any gathering. Add a splash of fun to your meals with this set of 10 holders in vibrant colors. They are sure to bring a cheerful touch to every dining occasion. Crafted from premium materials, these skewers are built to last and are completely dishwasher safe. Enjoy quick and hassle-free cleanup after every use. What we like. For those who love BBQs and parties, these holders are a must-have. The interlocking feature ensures safety and compact storage, while the silicone handles provide a comfortable, anti-scald grip. If you enjoy mess-free dining and want to add a pop of color to your meals, these are for you. What people say. The corn on the cob dishes are designed to hold the corn securely, preventing it from rolling around. They are easy to clean, as the corn cobs can be washed off with soap and water. The dishes have a sturdy construction that makes them durable and long-lasting. Number 3. Cinf Ceramic Corn Holders and Dishes Set of 4. Introducing our beautifully crafted ceramic corn dishes. Made from high-quality porcelain, they are designed to last and add a touch of elegance to your table. These dishes feature a unique embossed kernel design and ribbed sides to keep your corn in place. The non-slip bottom ensures stability, even when slathered with butter. Say goodbye to messy buttering. Our innovative design allows you to easily coat your corn with butter, ensuring an even flavor with every bite. Ideal for barbecues, picnics, camping, or everyday meals at home. These versatile dishes are a must-have for any corn lover. Enjoy convenience with these dishwasher-safe dishes. They are also microwave, oven-safe, making meal preparation and cleanup a breeze. Looking for a perfect gift? These quality corn dishes make a wonderful present for friends or a treat for yourself. What we like. If you appreciate a touch of elegance and practicality in your kitchenware, consider this ceramic set. The non-slip bottom and ribbed sides keep your corn in place, and the unique design allows for easy butter spreading. This is ideal for those who want a sophisticated yet functional way to enjoy corn on the cob at home or for special occasions. What people say. The corn on the cob dishes are designed with a convenient handle for easy carrying. These dishes are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The deep design of the dishes effectively prevents corn from rolling off. Number 2. Chef Craft Select Plastic Corn Cob Dishes. Tired of messy corn on the cob? These dishes are designed to make eating your favorite side neat and easy. Keep your corn perfectly buttered without the mess. These dishes are great for holding excess butter, preventing it from dripping onto other foods. Made from durable, heat-resistant plastic, these holders are built to last. Enjoy your meals without worry. Planning a barbecue or an outdoor gathering? These corn dishes are ideal for any al fresco dining experience. Each dish measures a generous 9.5 inches in length. This provides ample space for your corn cob. This set includes 2 corn cob dishes. You'll have enough for yourself and a guest. What we like? This simple and functional set is great for everyday use and outdoor activities. If you are looking for an economical and easy-to-use option for serving corn on the cob, especially during barbecues, this 2-piece set is a practical choice. It helps keep excess butter contained and makes eating corn neat and easy. What people say. The corn on the cob dishes are designed with a raised center to hold the corn securely, preventing it from rolling around. Each dish has a built-in butter reservoir, allowing for easy and even butter distribution directly onto the corn. The stackable design makes these dishes convenient for storage in cabinets or drawers. Number 1. Ruisita 12 packs plastic corn trays. Get a generous set of 12 corn trays, perfect for family gatherings or dinner parties. These trays are designed to hold most corn sizes comfortably. Crafted from sturdy, durable plastic, these trays are built to last and are not easily broken. Their clear surface and corn-shaped bottom ensure a clean and effective way to enjoy your corn. Simply place your corn on the tray and rotate to spread butter evenly. You can also add your favorite sauces or condiments directly into the tray for a delicious, mess-free experience. These transparent trays are easy to clean and can be stacked to save valuable storage space. Their beautiful, clear design complements any table setting. Ideal for a variety of settings, from family dinners and restaurants to barbecues, picnics, and parties. Enjoy your corn safely with these non-toxic and odorless trays, suitable for everyone. What we like? For large families or frequent entertainers, this bulk set offers excellent value. The transparent design and corn-shaped bottom are functional and aesthetically pleasing. If you need a large quantity of durable, easy-to-clean trays that can be stacked to save space, this is the perfect solution for your next barbecue, picnic, or party. What people say. The corn on the cob dishes are designed to hold the corn securely, preventing it from rolling around. These dishes are easy to clean, as they are dishwasher safe. The compact design of the corn on the cob dishes makes them easy to store in a cabinet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.